Hi everyone, Tim from SmartFleet here with an update on the Canada Niska 1. There's some new improvements to the base fuselage that we've added based on our recent testing. The first one is we've added an external USB port so that you can connect Mission Planner or Q Ground Control, a PC to the flight controller without having to open up the fuselage. The second one is we've added here built-in antenna mounts so that the antenna can be attached here, and of course the antenna will be mounted pointing downwards because the radio will be below the plane when it's flying through the sky. The next one is this. We've added a forward-facing camera mount for this CR1M digital camera that will provide digital recording at 1080p and real-time FPV video feed back to the controller in flight. We've added here stronger and longer landing gear, and one of the reasons for that is because under here is where we now have the built-in mount for the CA8 mini gimbal camera that will mount in this slot here and will therefore be able to fly without or land without touching the ground. The last one here is we've added flashing bright LED beacons, which means that we satisfy the Transport Canada requirements for flashing beacons. We have one on the bottom and one on the top. That's all the improvements. It's really coming together nicely.